everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me back. I know I have been really lost ever since last year. A lot has been happening, a lot has been going on in my life, and unfortunately, I haven't had some time or some opportunities to do some posting. But for those who saw me, who have been following me on Instagram or Facebook, most probably you have seen some uploads from myself, and I hope we are together. Well, today I'm just having a random video. I just wanted to know how everyone is doing, how things has have been going on. I have had a really busy period in my life, and I thought I am just going crazy. Like, honestly, too much has been going on. Like, I have had so much stuff to do, and honestly, it has been really exhausting. Well, all in all, I'm looking forward to start uploading some videos, and I'm looking forward to also give you some more interesting stuff to keep you online. For those who have been following me and watching my videos, I appreciate. I am so happy to have you in my channel, and I am so proud of you people. And anyone who is willing to communicate to me, just feel free to drop your comments, to drop your wishes or whatever thing you want to tell me. Just drop them down my YouTube channel, and I'm going to try and do some communication, or just try to communicate with you people. That's all for tonight. Thanks for joining me, and thanks so much for having watched my channel and my videos. Have a good night. Bye. Love you.